Every time she tried to speak English, her brain stopped. Not because she didn't know the words, but because her mind was stuck. Stuck translating every sentence from Hindi to English. This is the story of Meera, a shy girl from Udaipur, and how one small change, the decision to think in English, and transformed her world. Meera's silent struggle. Meera at school sitting in English class. Teacher says, Meera, tell us what you did yesterday. Meera freezes. In her mind, she translates, मैं कल बाजार गई थी. And she translated, I yesterday went to market. Meera stammering, I go yesterday market. Students giggle. Meera looks down. She knew what she wanted to say, but her mind always translated first, and the moment would pass. Meera talking to her cousin, Ria, who studies in Delhi. Ria says, Meera, don't speak English from Hindi. Learn to think in English. That's the secret. Meera says, but how? My brain is used to Hindi. Meera saying while smiling, like learning a new song, first line by line, then it becomes natural. That night, Meera wrote something on her wall. No more translation. Start thinking in English. The 5 daily habits to think in English made by Meera. I'm gonna share with you now. That is, first, name everything around you in English. Meera pointing at objects like fan, glass, notebook. This is my notebook. I am drinking water. Second, narrate your accents silently in English. Meera brushing teeth while thinking, I am brushing my teeth. It's morning. She didn't say it aloud, but she trained her brain to think that way. Number third, use English to English dictionary. Meera looking up angry, mad, upset, annoyed instead of translating to Hindi. She stopped depending on Hindi meanings. English words started feeling natural. Number fourth, use subtitles while watching English videos. Meera watching a vlog with subtitles, mouthing the lines. I am going to the mall today. Do you want to come with me? She paused, repeated, imagined the same sentence in her life. Rule number 5. Set mental challenges. Meera talking, and whenever she goes to the market, she starts thinking that I will only think in English for 10 minutes. Now Meera's thinking like now, I am turning left. I will buy tomatoes. I don't need onions today. 10 minutes became 20 minutes. Soon it became natural. Number 4. English class again. Same teacher, same question. The transformation you'll see now. The teacher asks, Mira, what did you do this weekend? Mira calmly smiling and says, this weekend I went to do shopping with my mom. We also watched a movie. It was fun. The class goes silent. The teacher smiles. No hesitation, no confusion, no translation, just English, spoken from thought. So, what's the secret? It's not grammar, it's not vocabulary, it's this that trained your mind to think in English, and fluency will flow just like Mira. You can start today. Describe your surroundings in English. Speak your thoughts to yourself. Use English while walking, cooking, traveling, and challenge yourself. 10 minutes English thinking every day. And comment me below now that I will train my mind to think in English. And if you want to practice English with me, contact me through the description box details. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real life English learning stories. So, your mouth will speak what your mind thinks. Train your thoughts and English will flow. Thank you so much. See you with another interesting and useful stories for you.